Keeping track of Max's psychosis was difficult because we didn't shoot in order, and his character goes through this like metamorphic change from sanity to insanity, and it was very hard to keep track of just where we were on certain days, and so I tried to focus my attention on that, and it became impossible as the shoot went on. We were shooting a low-budget film. We didn't have the funds to secure all the locations that I wanted. Therefore, I was forced to do a lot of thinking on my feet, something that I would say I hadn't done a lot of prior to the making of this film. Certainly don't learn that in college.
A movie, and this is my car. I was nice enough to donate it, and I'm not driving.
Hey, is that Todd Bridges over there?
No, he's in jail.
Hey, he's in jail? Hey, this is the Daily Reporter, Mr. Bridges.
Well, hello. Here we are staying in Arizona.
I heard you slept with Elvis.
Hey, Elvis is my friend. I saw him last week. We went to 7-Eleven together.
Joe. What we're gonna catch him. This is walk across the street. Yeah, just follow him. We're just gonna show him walking. Let him come out or anything, and then switch the point of view.
Reflex camera, is it? Oh, I see. He's got an attachment. He's got lids. That's a cool deal.
Now we'll start doing right as we come. Stop. Christy, no more up towards the thing.
But Chris, don't hit the bag.
Stop, stop, stop. Back, back, back. Back, back, back. Stop. So let's just hit the sun.
I know.
I'm gonna see no matter
Let
what.
me see you run.
Set up sound of silence.
You want me to run?
Up a little bit.
Here's John with one of the demons.
I mean, it's not that bad.
No, you can do this.
There's Helen. Hi, Helen.
Hi!
Hook it back.
In his dirty outfit.
Max looks like you fell in the water.
Tell us what the scene's gonna happen here.
Okay, well, what we're gonna do here is have the lead character, Maxwell Nichols, run into hell, and he's going to be forced there by Dale, Demon 1.
They won.
Hello.
Ooh.
So, once we'll pick up this shot, just like this, Todd, this shot, of you guys coming in the door and running.
This and take it down and put it around the corner.
That, oh, under. Say hi.
Hi. How's that?
You guys gotta not scream.
You want to jog or do you?
Smile. Camille working on my movie. And action. Yep, go. Action.
No.
Let's get some good footage of this.
This is a good. Sounds a little bit like that guy in that other film.
Yeah, this is Lester. I know he wants me to get back with him. I'll call him at...
While you're in there, I wouldn't mind a bite or two.
Damn that Nichols. It's always the new guys that gotta screw things up.
4. Yeah, we got 4. Run. Take one. Marker.
Yeah. And you got Lester here, and he's trapped. The demon woman. Where will be the demon woman? The camera is the demon woman. It's running this way. So you're stuck. No. Yeah, like this. Ready? Oh! Yeah. He turns around, the demon will be running, so he's not. He thinks escape, and he sees there is no action. The first thought in your mind is escape, escape. So you turn, right, you turn and look back into the camera as it closes in on you. There's no escape, give up.
Yeah, roll camera. Rolling. Marker. Okay, you see the people in the background? Yeah. Hey, keep moving, guys.
And action.
Hello, Nichols. It's your life, Nichols. You're the one in control of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're being pretty good about it.
Some boss.
How close are we?
We'll turn it off. We're almost ready.
Who is that masked man? Smile. You are America's Most Wanted. Tonight? Huh? Me? Camille? Working back here?
Nelson's wasn't enough?
No. Okay, Ray?
I'm the one you really want. It's me. Because I really want you, honey. I can turn you on. I know what a girl likes.
I'll be right back.
I know what you like. I know what can excite you. I can kiss you, fondle you, touch you.
Okay.
Do all the things I know that you like. We can be alone, you and I, together. Just the two of us, honey. It'll feel real good. I'll be passionate. It'll be nice, honey. Just come with me. Don't be afraid. What do you say? What do you say?
Yes.
Yes? What do I think? You know that? We're gonna have a good time. Oh. I knew you couldn't resist me. Come on, baby.
Good evening. Our top story tonight, another killing in the Valley. Prominent international business broker Maxwell Nichols was gunned down this evening, apparently by a co-worker at the Aloja Group. Police say Nichols, who had been with the company for 5 years, apparently stumbled upon an alleged embezzlement operation conducted by co-worker Lester Maldonado. Police say that when Nichols tried to retrieve the pilfered money, Maldonado shot him. The suspect remains at large.